Hey guys, so it's Saturday afternoon. I'm getting ready to go out to dinner with my husband for our anniversary. And yes, I notice I keep looking down at the camera. I really have to work on that. I'm not used to recording myself. But anyways, so this is what I am wearing this evening. I'm wearing a jacket I got on clearance at Macy's, jeans, a black shirt I forgot I had because it fits me now. It didn't. And that's it. No makeup, and I'm heading out now. So we decided to have Japanese. That is a favorite of my family's. I haven't did hibachi in years, and it did feel weird to be doing this without my children. You know, I'm so used to having them with me, and it also felt good to be, kid-free. Mind you, we were only there for like 45 minutes. We wolfed down our food for whatever reason, but actually we never really left our daughter on her own, so that's probably the reason. And we left her with our sons. One is an adult, 18. Because she will not go with anybody else, I realize now. But anyways, this was a great evening, just to be with my husband, even if it's only for a little while. The food was delicious. The cook was very entertaining. Yeah, so this was Saturday's dinner for me and my husband, and the kids had pizza at home. Thank you so much. It's great. Everything's great. Looks delicious. Hey guys, so good morning. Today's Sunday morning. I have a few things planned for today, but I want to show you, I wrote, and do not mind the handwriting, I wrote a pantry list of all the items in my pantry because I have so much stuff that I'm, not using, and I feel like I should use before I buy other stuff to put in the pantry, and I don't want it to expire because everybody buys stuff on sale, or we just buy stuff and we don't use it, and I really want to start using everything. So I literally itemized all the dry pantry items I had and canned items and a few frozen items as well. I'm going to write down my list. Then we have church planned today at 12 and a few other errands. Then I'll come back home, and today I'm going to because I was going to do this the other day, I'm going to do a chicken pot pie with mushrooms, potatoes, and chicken, vegetables, a few other things. I'm going to use pie dough because I have frozen pie dough. I do have puff pastry, but I'm going to use the frozen pie dough. And I will see you guys later on. brought pie dough. You can use puff pastry as well. I'm using 2 crusts, so I don't think one is big enough. Also, all the ingredients will be in the description as usual. And I just sauteed the chicken. Well, I sauteed the onions, the vegetables first, and then the chicken. I think this is good. Drape this over. This is Sunday's dinner, chicken pot pie, my version of it. The recipe will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, comment me, any suggestions as well. Leave any comments you want. But thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.